Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. If you make Sai the sole object of your thoughts and aims, you will gain the supreme goal. Trust in Guru fully. That is the only sadhana in this Kali age. Sai says, place your entire faith in me and you will soon get your object. You are going to shine like star. The people who are looking at you sarcastically will be amazed to see your flourishment. In the last video, we went through the story of Harishchandra Pitale, how his son's disease got cured by Baba's touch. In today's video, we will be going through the remaining story of Harishchandra Pitale. Mr. Pitale was a rich and well-to-do gentleman. He distributed sweetmeats on a large scale and offered to Baba excellent fruits and pan. Mrs. Pitale was a very pious lady, simple, loving and faithful. She used to sit near the post, gazing at Baba with tears of joy flowing down from her eyes. Seeing her amicable and loving nature, Baba was much pleased with her. Like gods, saints are always dependent on their devotees, who surrender and worship them with their heart and soul. After passing some happy days in Baba's company, the Pitale family came to the masjid to take Baba's leave to depart. Baba gave them udi and blessings and called Mr. Pitale close to him and said, Bapu, I had given you rupees 2 before. Now I give you rupees 3. Keep this in your shrine for worship and you will be benefited. Mr. Pitale accepted these as prasad, prostrated himself again before Baba and prayed for his blessings. A thought arose in his mind that as this was his first visit to Shirdi, he could not understand what Baba meant when he said that he had given rupees 2 previously. He was curious to have this mystery solved, but Baba kept silent. When Mr. Pitale returned to Mumbai, he narrated to his old mother all that had happened at Shirdi and the mystery about Baba's giving him rupees 2 earlier. The mother also did not understand the mystery, but thinking seriously about this, she was reminded of an old incident which solved the mystery. She said to her son, as you now went to Sai Baba with your son, so had your father done when he took you to Akkalkot for the darshan of the Maharaj there many years ago. That Maharaj was also a Siddha, perfect yogi, omniscient and gracious. Your father was devout and his worship was accepted. He then gave your father rupees 2 for being kept in the shrine and worshipped. Your father worshipped them till his death, but thereafter the worship was neglected and the rupees were lost. After some years, the memory of these 2 rupees also disappeared, and now, as you are very fortunate, the Akkalkot Maharaj has appeared to you in the form of Sai Baba just to remind you of your duties and worship to ward off all dangers. Now, beware. Henceforth, leave all doubts and bad thoughts. Follow your ancestors and go on worshipping the family gods and the rupees and take pride in the blessings of the saints. Sai Samarth has kindly revived the spirit of bhakti in you. Cultivate it to your benefit. Hearing the remarks of the mother, Mr. Pitale was very much delighted. He came to know and was much convinced about the all-pervasiveness of Baba and the significance of his darshan. Then onwards, he became very careful about his conduct. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, share and like. Thank you.